Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, now you can present your presentation.
Okay, sir. So screen visible है? सर स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
स्क्रीन विजिबल है, थोड़ा बड़ा करो इसको. साइज इज वेरी.
Yes, sir. आवाज भी सही है ना?
ओके बेटा, स्क्रीन को रोटेट करवाओ, आपकी बड़ी हो जाएगी. ओके, इट्स गुड. यू कैन
Okay,
स्टार्ट.
sir. So as you know, I'm Habibullah, bearing roll number K19EL36. So today my topic is on continuity and discontinuity of function. So I have to represent continuity of function. First of all, I have to we have to know that what's the function before checking the continuity of function, before knowing the continuity of function. So first of all, we have to know about function. What's the function? Function is a rule of correspondence by which each element of one set X is assigned to exactly one element of other set Y. Means function is just a relation between two variables, independent or dependent variable, such that every value of X there corresponds one and only value of Y. So in the function, X is known as independent variable, means range or domain, and Y is a dependent variable. So I have given example of a function 2x plus y is equal to 10. That's the function. So now I am going to present my continuity of function. That's the my topic. So continuity of function is a point, is a rigorous formulation of intuitive concept of function that varies with no abrupt breaks or jumps. In simple words, that continuity of function is just a point where continuous function occurs, where the means I have to here written that formal definition of that continuity of function, that function is a continuous, defining the continuity of a function at point x is equal to a when three conditions are satisfied. Here are three conditions for the continuity of function. So first condition, f of a is defined, means a function should be defined at any point a, and means that function should not be undefined, that should not be infinite. That's the first condition to have to satisfy for the continuity of function. That is, there is another condition, limit should be exist, limit at any point at point a exists, means left hand limit, left hand side limit is equal to right hand side limit. So there, and the third condition, it will be that limit existed should be equal to the function defined function. So that is the continuity of function. These are the conditions which is satisfying the continuity of function. So on other side, that is the discontinuity of function, that is opposite of that continuity of functions, means it is obviously discontinuity word expresses that is the opposite to continuity of function. So there are also three conditions. If one of them is not satisfied, if the condition, one of the condition is not satisfied, then it will be defined as the discontinuity of function. So I have given that continuous function. So that's why what is the continuous function? The function which satisfy the above three conditions. Means that in continuity there were three conditions. If the function satisfy these conditions, that function will be known as a continuous function. So I have given an example that I have given f of x is equal to x square plus 1. One is there is one function f of x at point 1. I have to check the continuous, if it is continuous or discontinuous. So I have to for the condition for the continuous function we have to satisfy three conditions. So first condition I have defined that f of1 is equal to, I have just put the values of x means at point 1. So uh, I have got that x is equal to 1. That's defined, and now I am going to I have done the limit whether it exists or not. So I have just find the limit, and it's yeah, of course I have found it. It's limit x tends to 1. There is a 2. I have got the equation or value 2. Limit is 2, and function I have defined that is equal to also 2. So that is I have seen that limit. Third condition is that these two function and limit will be equal. So there is the limit value is equal to 2. Function defined function is also equal to. That means limit x tends to a f of x is equal to f of a. That means all three conditions are satisfied. So now I can say that that was the continuous function. Similarly, there is a discontinuous function. So I have to also means there are three conditions. If one of them is not satisfied, or three are all after not satisfied, means I will say that it's discontinuous. So I have given function x cube minus 8 upon over x minus 2 at any at 2 x is equal to 2 point. I have to just check the discontinuous or not. So I have checking that one condition f of, I have just put the value of f of a, means f of 2 in the function just put, and I got the 0, 0.0, that is undefined form. Undefined. So at the I can say that it's not it's not continuous function, because there is a undefined function. So I can say that it's
Okay.
discontinuous.
Okay.
Sir, one. So this one.
Okay.
Continue,
Can you
sir.
tell me which type of this function is given here?
Where this is a piecewise function, sir.
Okay.
सर
What does
आपकी आवाज सही यस
अब सही आ रही है बेटा?
yes sir, this is piecewise function, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what is defined and undefined function?
Yes sir, defined function should be means finite number. There will be I can undefined means there is not any number defined, means कोई number हो हम count कर सकते हैं any number which can we can count that's finite, that is defined, and undefined
What
is
is
not.
the
That is not
definition of continuity? Of
continuity, sir. Definition, so your definition is that
these are the
continuity is
conditions. Yes, these are
yes sir,
conditions to check the continuity. What are the definition
of
of
course.
continuity?
Yes sir, definition of continuity is that continuity of a function is a point where there is no jumps, no any breaks occurs.